Video 33. Hatch material for roof. And change the object for the roof position, glass roof, on the cross section of Allplan. In the previous part, I've instructed the material hatch using the hatching command. In this section, the instructions for using the pattern command are extended on the toolbar. Select Command on the toolbar. Allplan brings up two dialog boxes. Table, Dialog Box 1, Pattern. Select the appropriate material to represent the object. Here the hatch is needed as the roof choose position 10. Dialog Box 2, Input Options. Adjust the region or point options or any area that needs material hatch. To hatch materials, instructions two ways. The first way to select the area to be displayed on the dialog box. After doing so, press Escape to exit the command. View the operations performed on the display screen. Option 2. Select each point on the roof position. After that you've done, press Escape to exit command. View the operations performed on the display screen. Similar material hatch for tile roof positions on all sections. Change the roof position on the section. Open the roof plan. In this position is the glass roof area, so we will change. View the operations performed on the display screen. First, draw the line to show the glass roof to cut the object. Cut command object on the toolbar. Draw more objects and add text to denote the area that is the glass roof. I invite you to watch the next video that is creating 2D elevation in Allplan.